Okay. Hello, everybody. It's snowing out here, and we got a saying in Idaho: if it's warm enough to snow, it's warm enough to work. It finally warmed up enough to snow, so I can get out here on this. What I wanted to show you, you heard me talking about these van manifolds. You can kind of see there how tight they are. That's what I'm hoping is going to clear around that steering column. Uh, I'm doing this on the on my cell phone here, so I'm gonna have to do this in one take, and I'm freezing. So let's climb under the. Uh, let's climb under it here and see what we can come up with. Those will make nice seats for that F4 I got over there, that 50. Squirrel in a nut, squirrel in a nut. Here we go. Yeah, stuck. All right, there we go. I got a difference here. That transmission I got that I stuffed down in there, you can see it mounts different. You know, leave it to Ford, right? You gotta change everything all the time. The transmission I got under the car is the double mount. They come off the side of that transmission tail housing there. This one is the other style that mounts, you got one mount in the middle. So I'm gonna have some changes there. But another thing I'm looking at here is this whole cross member. I can work that in. All I got to do is cut that and move it because this frame is a whole lot wider. And now let's look up in here and make sure that these motor mounts are going to be like the ones I seen on that other one. Yeah, there we go. You can see how tight those mounts are. Those are the mounts I'm going to be using. Oh, I think. Yeah. See how they got that? There it is. See how these have got that center bolt right there? I can build that. This is the steel here that comes around. So all I got to do is I got to jack this engine up a little so I can get this motor mount off of here. And then all I got to do is bolt this part to those towers, you know, cut those 390 homemade towers off, and then I'll bolt this solid onto that. I'm pretty sure I can get that in there. And when you're talking Ford, I know it looks big. It looks really, it looks like a, well, like I kept saying in there, it looks like a GM Chevy kind of mount. It is bigger, but when you look at the other mounts that Ford has got for this, yeah, they're even bigger than that. So, and actually, I don't know. I've already felt the ones on the other side. These feel actually really good. I might not have to buy new mounts. I'll just return those. But you can see there how nice and tight that manifold is. Ugh. This is fun on a Ford. It has to have this. This is the kick down. And it's a solid mount, or a solid linkage. So I got to take that old Motorcraft carburetor, cut the linkages off, and adapt them to the Edelbrock I'm putting on. That's going to be fun. But anyway, there's a quick look. I'm definitely going to have to get this transmission out of here because the transmission I'm using for a mock-up has got the side mounts here, and this one has got the center. Dadgummit. Ugh. You know what that means? I'm going to be, whew, it's cold down here. That means I'm going to be doing this in the cold. I was hoping to avoid it, but I got to have that. So it is what she is, and it's going to happen. All right? So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one when I can crawl my butt out of this frozen wasteland here. We'll catch you on the next one. Till the meantime, keep that metal hot, 'cause it's cold.